welcome. So today I'm going to be doing my nails. Since the nail salons are still closed at the moment, I have to resort to doing my own nails myself. So I thought I would just share with you guys how I've been trying to keep up with my nails during this whole pandemic. These are my nails. They don't look the best because I previously had gel nails on and I removed it a couple weeks ago, and you can see the little ridges of where the nails were. So but these are now my real nails. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply some gel polish on here. Just try to ignore the fact that my pinky and my thumb are a bit short. I didn't want to cut anything else down because I still wanted to keep my nails long, but you know, it's not about being a perfectionist here. I just wanted to get a good type of manicure done. Today I'm going to be doing some shellac on my nails. I love shellac. It just adds a lot of strength to my nails and helps it grow longer and less damaging. So today I'm going to be using a set from Madam Glam Nails. So Madam Glam actually sent this out for me, and you know, I really appreciate it because it came at the right time. I really wanted to get my nails done, so you know, thank you, Madam Glam. So let me show you guys what came with. This is what they sent. They gave me 2 polishes. This one here is Mother Nature. It's like a really bright green color. And this one here is Bahama Mama, and it's what I have on this side of my hand. I wanted to practice and see what it looks like, so this is what it is. You know, it's kind of like messy because, you know, it's hard for me to do my nails with my left hand because I'm a righty. But that's the 2 polishes that it came with. And then, of course, it has the Soak Off Base Gel, and then the Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. Because normally other top coats you have to use like alcohol to remove the little sticky film, but this one you don't have to wipe it off, which is great. And it also comes with a gel polish remover. So if I'm ready to remove any of the polish off, all I gotta do is put like a really thick layer on top of the polish and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you can just wipe it off. I'm gonna be using the Bahama Mama today on my nails, as you guys saw here. And it kind of like goes with my hair because you guys know my hair is orange. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using the base coat and the top coat. Now you're also probably wondering, well, you got the polish, what are you going to use to cure it? Because obviously with gel polish, you need a UV lamp to cure it. So they also sent me a really cute miniature UV lamp. I thought this is cute. I actually have a full-size one, but this one is kind of like a portable size, which is great. So this is what it looks like right here. You can just put 4 fingers at a time and then maybe do your thumb last, or maybe you could put all. Sure, you could put all, but I just prefer doing the 4 fingers and then the thumb afterwards. So, you know, it just comes with a little cord to plug it in. That is that. So let's go ahead and get started with painting my nails. To get started, before putting any kind of gel polish, you want to make sure to buff the surface and just have it kind of rough and gritty, because if your nail has oils or anything on it, the gel polishes is just going to peel off. I don't know if you guys can see from here, this one here is a little bit shiny because I actually did apply some of the base and the top coat on here because this nail was broken. It was completely broken. It was like almost off, but I wanted to keep my nail still. So I'm gonna share with you guys quickly here how I was able to save this nail, a little bit of my trick on how I kind of formed it back together. I'm just gonna focus on these 4 nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just buffer it up and just make sure to remove any kind of shine that I have, because I want it to be as like rough looking, not really rough looking, but just have that grit for the gel polish to really adhere to. I just want to say that I'm not a nail technician at all. I mean, I've been getting my nails done for a while and I see what they do. So it's just kind of like from experience and from watching and from like watching videos online just to see how they do it. So just wanted to put it out there. Alright, so I just went ahead and I buffered my nails. Normally I usually see the nail technicians take a bit of alcohol just to clean up the surface and just have it ready and prepped. I guess it just takes away any excess oil as well, so you want to use one of the 90% alcohol. So I'm going to start off with the Soak Off base polish. I'm just going to apply just a good thin amount on it. So one thing that I notice is when applying any kind of gel polish, you want to make sure not to get it close to your cuticles, because if you do get it onto your cuticles and you cure it under the lamp, it's going to cure all together. So whatever's on your skin is going to be connected to your nails, and then it's going to end up eventually lifting and it's going to peel off the whole polish. As much as possible, try to stay away from the cuticles. And if you do get on the cuticles, just wipe it off before you place it into the lamp. Another thing I like to do with the polish is after I get to the edge of my nails, I apply a little bit on that ridge there so that it seals it as well, because if I just apply it to the top, I notice sometimes too that it lifts right at the tip of the nail, so it ends up peeling as well. So I just kind of want to seal it and just put it to more of the edge here. Alright, so now taking my lamp, I believe that once I start the lamp, it's going to stay on for 30 seconds. So with the base coat, I believe it is, like it says here, it's 30 seconds to cure it under the LED light. So I'm gonna leave this under here for 30 seconds, just until the light actually turns off. And then I'm gonna get my thumb and place that in there separately. The next thing to do is just to apply the color. So I'm going to do 2 coats of the Bahama Mama. So I'm going to do 1 coat first, cure it, and then a second coat, and then the top coat after. So same goes with the polish. Make sure not to get it onto the cuticles. Just make sure to clean off any nail polish that gets to the sides here. Then now I'm gonna cure this for 2 minutes. Since this light only stays on for 30 seconds, I'm going to do it 4 times for it to equal 2 minutes. And then on to coat number 2. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do 2 minutes to cure by doing my 4 fingers here first and my thumb last, and then just doing like 30-second intervals until I reach that 2-minute mark. So now that I have both coats on, the only thing left to do is to apply the top coat. So same thing goes, just gonna apply a thin layer of that to seal everything, lock everything. Again, I'm gonna make sure not to go to my cuticles, and I'm gonna seal it right at the tip of my nails as well. And then I'm gonna cure that for 2 minutes, and that is it. that is it. I'm done with my manicure. I'm so happy that I actually have my nails done now. Like, I was walking around with my nails looking all gross and all jagged with different polishes, except this one here. I still have this one here. I think it's been about 2 months and it's like super long, but I can't take it off. Eventually I'll take it off, but you know, that's it. One thing I want to mention though is when you use a top coat for like this specific one, when you use a top coat and then you cure it, it kind of burns a little bit. I don't know the science behind it, why it does that. Like, even when I go to the nail salon and get my nails done and I get like the gel overlay put on my nails, it burns. I tried asking the technician why it does that, but I guess I didn't really understand what she was saying, so I just nodded my head. I'm like, okay. So I haven't really looked into why it burns and what it does. If you guys know why that happens, let me know, because I'm really curious. It lasts for about like 5 to 10 seconds on me personally, but this one here, it was really quick. I just wanted to put that out there, so if you guys end up trying it and you wonder like, oh my god, it's burning, I guess it's supposed to happen. I've experienced it a lot of times. So this was just kind of my way of keeping up with my nails while, you know, being quarantined at home until my nail salon opens. You know, this is what I'm going to be doing. You know, I still have another color to play with, which is the green one, which is Mother Nature. Again, this one is Bahama Mama. If you guys are interested in grabbing a set of these or any kind of color, I will post their link in my description box down below, and I believe I have a coupon code for you guys to use as well, so you guys can save a little bit of money. Aside from hair, you know, doing your hair, not being able to go to the salon, people are going to want to get their nails done too, so this is another option to stick with. And the thing too is they have like this really cute LED lamp, which is super cute, and you can just kind of like throw it in your purse or wherever. It's not like you're gonna really go anywhere, but you know, it's not like one of the big lamps where it's just gonna take up a lot of space on your shelf. This is really small and compact, and it's super great. I just want to say thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these wonderful polishes to play with. It really saves me from my nail situation that I've been having for the past couple weeks. Now my nail looks good as new. Again, if I miss anything, I will post all the information in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my videos, and check me out on Instagram. That is it for today, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye!